Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. And look what just showed up. So we are going to unbox this baby, and then at the end of the video, I'll share what I made with it. All right, so how gorgeous is this box? So this is Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door. This is their brand new box design, and I am in love. Also, this got here super quick. So today is August 2nd, 2023. 9 days after this box was shipped, and it's here already. So I am super excited. The box is in excellent shape, so I'll be able to keep it to store some stuff in the sewing room. Oh, and the sticker this month says, enjoy the little things. So I don't know if this is a clue as to the theme. Also, it's heavy. It's heavier than a lot of months. All right, I've not seen any unboxing. This is going to be a complete surprise. Here's our card. It's summertime and the living is sneezy. Oh, and this month, the QR code is on the back of the card. Very cool. All right, I'm not going to tell you what's in here. Let's open it. Oh, and the fabric's on top. I can see the fabric already. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right. Okay. Let's see here. All right, so the first thing is bias binding, and this is cotton spandex bias banding in a, it's like almost natural or ecru type color, very neutral. So there are 3 meters of this bias binding in here. Oh, a cookie, vanilla choc chip. Nice. Ooh, yes, with coffee after dinner tonight. Thread, very neutral again. And wait a minute, what is happening? There are 2 fabrics in here. What did the card say? Oh my goodness, hold on. This month's box contains twice 1.5 meter of cotton jersey. There are 3 colorways available this month. And there's no clue as to what the other 2 colorways are, but these are the ones I got. How fun is that? So the first one is this beautiful, kind of floral. Yeah, I think you can say it's a floral with the beautiful oranges and the greens and the black on a natural, or I don't even know what to call this color. It's a very neutral beigey, although I know Andrea does not like the word beige. So I'm not sure what to call this, but yes. And then the second one, it's got the same colors in it, but in a different design. So like a really fun stripe. What to do, what to do. These are really, really not my colors, but I think I can make something fun with this. So 1.5 meters of each one of these. I could very easily make some fun pajamas using the floral for the top and maybe the stripes for shorts or capris. Capris might be really cool with the stripe going down. Is there the same amount of stretch on both sides? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. So yes, I can make some really fun pajama bottoms with this, with the stripe going down. And then this for the pajama top. What do you guys think? I would ask for suggestions, but by the time you see this video, these will have been made up already. So, oh my goodness, the wheels are turning. Yeah, I don't think these colors would suit me. So I don't think I would make a top for myself. These are not the colors in my daughter's palette either. But I think this cotton jersey would be amazing to sleep in. So I think pajamas is the way to go. But you know, I usually change my mind by the time I go to cut into these. So throwing these in the wash tonight, and I'll see you as soon as these are made up. And I am back with my finished garments. Now you can't see the bottom, but I also made bottoms with the fabric. So I talked about probably making pajamas because these colors aren't the best on me. Although I have to say, now that I've taken pictures and I'm looking at myself, I really don't hate this on me. So yeah, maybe I should have rethought the whole idea of pajamas, although I am quite pleased with what I made. So I made the Luna pants as Bermuda shorts almost, or PJ bottoms. I didn't have enough fabric to make full-on pants, which is probably a good thing because I get very hot throughout the night. So pants are probably not the best thing, even in winter. So I went as long as my fabric would allow, and that's around the knees, maybe a touch above the knees. I like this length. It's going to be comfortable even in the winter months. And the Luna pattern just really fits me perfectly. So there was never any doubt in my mind that I was going to make the Lunas as pajamas with this fabric. I went with the floral for the bottoms. And then for the top, I'm wearing the Tranquil Nightwear by Love Notions, the top. So it's got some really fun color blocking opportunities. It's got a crossover here. I used the knit binding that was in the box for this accent, and it worked out really, really well. Very easy to do. I used the floral on the accent piece here and made one of the sleeves, and then the rest of the top is with the stripes. Now, I must have been really tired when I cut this because I wanted the sleeve on this side to match the accent piece, but then I didn't cut it the right side up, like my pattern piece wasn't the, anyways. So I ended up needing to do the sleeve on this side with the floral and the sleeve on this side with the stripe. And before you suggest it, it is not an exact mirror image, this sleeve. There's a little extra room in the back, so I really couldn't just fake it or smush them together. It would not have been as comfortable. So, I mean, it is what it is. I think it still looks cute. And I did manage, as you hopefully will have seen in the pictures, to pattern match down the sides really, really well, if I do say so myself. The only thing, and it was my first time making this nightwear pattern by Love Notions. The only thing is that it's snug. Not uncomfortable, you know, enough to sleep, but definitely a lot more fitted than most of my pajamas. So I did my usual size XL that I do in knits and wovens at the shoulders and bust. Usually for a woven, I would grade out to a 20 at the waist and hips, or not a 20, but a 2X. I did not do that. I just went with a straight XL. And not only is it snug, but you might notice that the shoulders are a little too small and there's definite like pulling here. I did use the full bust, but had I gone up a size, I think I would have more room up here and it would be a little more comfortable. not a super big deal. This fabric is very comfy, very soft, very high quality, which is important even when you're making pajamas, because pajamas get washed a lot. So I'm hoping that this is going to, stand up to lots of washing. Obviously, I'm not going to wash this in super hot water and dry it in super high heat, but still they're going to get at least, washed once a week. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with my PJs, and I am pleasantly surprised at how much I like these colors on me, which is a little mind-blowing because I did get my colors done professionally. I'm a twilight winter, which means I should wear bright, clear, dark colors, which none of these are. Cool colors too. So all of these are warm. So technically they should fit a fall or a spring a lot better. Also, I couldn't make anything for Marianne because, and I think I said that in the first part of the video, she's a calm summer. So also cool color palette. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty pleased with my new pajama set. So once again, Andrea and team, a fabulous box. Thank you so much for pushing me outside of my comfort zone, really making me think about what I want to make with the fabrics I get. I loved that there were 2 different fabrics in this month's box, giving me the opportunity to play around with color blocking, something that I've never really done and I really liked doing. So I'm gonna start looking for more patterns that allow for that and will allow me to use maybe smaller pieces of fabrics. I have like 3/4 yard remnants or 1 yard remnants in my stash that I really don't know what to do with. And color blocking is the perfect way to use those small pieces. So yeah, you knocked it out of the park again, Andrea and team, and I couldn't be happier with the garments I ended up with. All right, I would love to get some feedback on my new pajamas. Nice, constructive feedback, please. You can leave your thoughts down in the comments box below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.